Come make ramen with me. So first I'm just gonna fry up my eggs. I added black pepper to one for me and the other one I left without for my daughter. I crushed up my ramen. I like mine in kind of like small pieces, but you do yours however you want. And I added some boiling water and I microwaved it for a little bit just to get it nice and soft. And I add my seasoning. You're welcome to add whatever you like to yours. I know lots of people add other seasonings to theirs, but I was just keeping mine simple today. And then I added some cheese and I added my fried eggs on top and my cut up green onion. And then I added my avocado. This avocado was so perfect, beautiful. And that's it. Thank you for watching.